what caused yung bigla na lang tayong ang mga anak natin naging mga kriminal at an early age? Panahon ni Ramos, Marcos, even wala yan. But when itong si Pangilinan, kaibigan ko to. So I do not want to demean him but in this life, we have to bind ourselves of what we do. Mahirap yung kung ginawa mo. Ang criminal code noon, 9 below, no criminal liability. Espanyol pa yan, yung libro na yan. Revised Penal Code. Then, above 9, below 12. And above 12, below 16, meron yang indeterminate sentence law. Pero pagdating nung yung ngayon, binabaan ng tinaas husto ni Pangilinan. Pretty boy, to keep abreast with the changing times. And he does not bother to research now that America, from where he copied all of these things, have reverted back to treating youthful offenders tried as adult offenders for grave and less grave offenses. Balik na sila doon nga. So, pakita yung ibang senador kagabi, isang gabi. They'll try to repeal the law. Yun ang dahilan. Ang nawala, alam mo ang nawala sa itong mga bata ngayon, who are now adult, the sense of accountability. Labas-pasok sila noon Kig mag-rape, kig magpatay, labas. The following day. Wala si Pangilinan, he never bothered to clear the line after the arrest, after the crime, then what to do with it. Ngayon, wala mag-amin. Ito naman si Pontifical Pangilinan, akala mo walang kasalanan kung magsalita. Siya pa yung presidente ng liberal. Tignan mo, pati siya hindi manalo yan.